Hello everyone, you know that. Here is the yard. Oh, kind of muddy. You know how it is. Got a good little rain right now. So I kind of wanted to see if it was flooding. So I think it is. I can't even walk through that hole because I gotta walk over here. Unblock that dam right there. Let all that water that way. My favorite part. Look, and even that one over there is running. There you go. Noah, no, get back. Get back. Noah. So it's obviously filling up the trough right now. And then, as you can see, that one fills up over there first. So, part one, y'all.